This building, they used to grow cannabis out of this building, and the layout's kind of weird. We're gonna be demoing this whole area all right here, because right now it's set up as warehouse, office, warehouse, and we're gonna demo all this, make this all warehouse, and put the whole office to the left. Like an office, like IT room here. This is all gonna go, this is gonna go. This whole drop ceiling and lights, all these are gonna go. This one wall right here will stay. And so we'll be able to park some vans that way and some vans on this side. Out here, there's a little pop-up. There's like another little outside storage where we might park another van if we run out. Or we could put some other cable and stuff back here. So we can forklift some stuff in and out of here if we needed to. So all that'll be gone. This is where the guys will come in, which is right in line with the gate. So eventually I want to motorize the gate on the driveway and then motorize this. This will be an office. The safe's gonna come out. There's a safe they left behind. We're gonna take this wall out right here. This is another room that we're gonna have to re-sheetrock, get rid of all this plumbing, get rid of this plastic walls. This will be another private office. This will be a big conference room right here. We're gonna keep this room. This might be the network room. This will be a conference room, this room right here, but we still have to re-sheetrock it. And this electrical panel and everything right here is gonna get taken out. You're gonna be able to walk from here to the other side of the warehouse because you can't currently do that. All the piping, all the stuff, the ceiling, this entire room will be gutted. So that warehouse will keep going all the way to about here somewhere. This roll-up door right here is gonna be a storefront, glass storefront. So this get ripped out. And it'll be a double door to get in and out the building right here. I have to dig up this concrete, cut the roots out, and then re-pour this concrete. This door right here doesn't open all the way. And you have to kind of like sneak in. So this side will be the office. So this will be the glass storefront right here. This wall will get removed and it'll get pushed back a little farther. So this whole office and all this stuff is going to get demoed out. This whole wall gets demoed out. We'll move the wall, this wall, back to about here. And that'll be a solid wall going straight that way up to the ceiling, all the way across over here. This bathroom will stay. This is another bathroom. This electric panel will leave. This bathroom staying, but we'll redo the bathroom. This right here will be a kitchen. That new wall will have offices along the wall there. Offices along the wall there. There's a new like 7.5 ton AC unit on the roof. We're gonna have exposed ducting coming in. So all of this will get cleaned up. These sprinklers will get moved to the top. We'll get that old AC unit removed. This whole ceiling will get new insulation. And we'll have big AC ducts coming through to heat and cool this whole room here. I might make one of those back two rooms there, might be YouTube rooms. We only have so much budget to do certain things, so we have to first be able to work out of it and then start making it nicer later, you know? Yeah, so we have to be out of the other building by June. So yeah, still gonna take like at least 3 months after we get the keys to like demo and get everything done, you know? Dead center will have a big Digital Dreams logo, like a light up one, dead center of this.
Like a giant neon.
Shooting right into the apartments now.
Right into the apartment.
Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and now you are seeing the warehouse, the new office, completely gutted. Last time we were here, this was all some old offices / grow rooms. We have now gutted the entire place. Today, we had the AC unit lifted up and craned out. We're gonna try to use this old plenum, but we couldn't because the previous tenant was growing some stuff out of here and they had no filters. And so this would have been pumping through our office space. And so we didn't wanna live with mold and dust and crap from them running the AC unit with no filter. They were running this thing with no filter to get the max airflow. So it's disgusting. So I didn't wanna live with that. So we took that out, but to do that, we had to get the crane on the roof to lift up the 7.5 ton AC unit to drop down this new piece right in here. That's what we just did. This will be all vans we park in here. We're gonna get all these sprinkler heads lifted up. All these tubes coming down will be cut off. Currently the plan, it might change, is one office here, one office here, one office here. We're gonna build a wall that goes from the front of the offices all the way to here. We're redoing the bathrooms. We're getting rid of this hand wash. We're gonna have a kitchen back there, another conference room, and utility room right there. This whole 2 spaces over here all the way down will be a conference room and then a storage room. And then the rest will be all warehouse. Eventually this pop out will be pushed forward, so we don't need this to pop out anymore. We'll have the glass straight to the front. We're gonna motorize the gate out front. We're gonna keep this bathroom, but rerun this water pipe that's like hanging on for dear life up here. So we're gonna rerun that water pipe right there, keep this bathroom. This double door will go to a single door. We're gonna have this part of the office that goes from here all the way over. So that's gonna get chopped off. We redid all the insulation over there. This is our current dumpster, which has been picked up 5 times already. So that's the 5th dump. It should be the last one. Once we get all this last AC stuff in there, we should be done. This is all the new AC ducting that's gonna go up. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing today. So stay tuned. We'll show you all the renovations. Maybe we'll get a time lapse going of the drywall and stuff going up. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.